I am Catherine and I am responsible for all sales here. I've been at Greenio for just under a year now. I come from a recruitment background, don't hold that against me. I just really like the idea of selling a product and a service that I can actually prove the value of. When you're working in recruitment, your product is people. People can be unreliable, however, the solar isn't, so it's really good for me. The thing I love about it most is the people. We've got some great friends of Greenio, both with some of the local businesses we've worked with, the local community centres like Long Bennington Village Hall. We've built great relationships, so it's just generally a really nice place to work and be. If I'm not at work, you can find me down at the farm with my horses. So if you're an early bird and you've got a problem with my solar at 5 in the morning, just ring me up. I'll be out on a horse or feeding my horses and available for you. We are really, really nice people and we just have a good time. We work hard, don't get me wrong, we work really hard. But yeah, it's a really nice place to be.